Hi, this is the next gardener. Halloween is coming soon. If you do not want to carve pumpkin projects but you hope to get some decoration for pumpkin, this video is right for you. We are gonna need to start this project with glue spray, white latex paint, tool set you may need, moss, you can use any kind of moss you have, pumpkin, better the Cinderella pumpkin, and succulents. First, you need to measure the area of the pumpkin head you will place the moss and prepare enough to do this project. I measured the area before this filming, so you can see I will use all moss I prepared. You can use any moss you can easily get in the shop. I highly recommend baby tooth moss, plume moss, and springy turf moss. And I usually dense the moss when I get it and let it dry for 1 to 2 days because I hope the moss is clean to be as the base for succulents. Then, wipe the dirt off the head of pumpkin and shake the glue spray before using it. As you can see, I picked the side which can as a plate to hold the moss as the head, so you can spray the glue on the top and place moss there. You can add more here to make sure the moss won't move during setting the succulents. Now pick the succulent you like or the big one as the center of the whole arrangement and choose the best angle to set it. Then put another one at the right near the first one. Do the same thing back and forth to fill this piece. This project can come with succulent cuttings. You can put the glue at the end of the succulent. Good news is after Halloween, using scissor to cut off the gill part and do succulent cutting propagation. These succulents will grow very well. If you want to decorate your pumpkin with a taller succulent, you'd better place it after all the succulents are set already because this would provide support for them. Succulents are rich in colors, shape and sizes, so it is easy for you to choose the right one to fill these holes. To make the arrangement look like a piece of art, you need to prepare some string succulent like string of pearls or any other trailing plants to hang there. Trust me, they actually works. This adds a unique vibe for your arrangement. Done. Invite your kids and make your unique succulent pumpkin for Halloween. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you think this video is helpful for you.